Hello friends, welcome to the new video, and in this video we will going to learn how to factorize quadratic polynomial. So let us begin. Factorize x square plus 19x plus 18. So the method which we will going to apply in this polynomial, quadratic polynomial for factorization, that method will be applicable to all the quadratic factorization, and all the mistake what happens by mistake by the students or by somebody, that sign mistake and all, will be avoided. And the method I want you to learn it properly and understand it well, and for that you need to watch the video very carefully. Also you need to listen audio what is put in that properly, so that your concept can become clear. So let us begin. Factorize x square plus 19x plus 18. So the polynomial here is x square plus 19x plus 18. This polynomial is also known as quadratic polynomial. The reason is degree for the given polynomial is 2. So quadratic polynomial, if it is, it will have different terms name. So the quadratic term we take it as x square, and linear term we take it as a 19x because the index is 1, and constant term we have plus 18. So the quadratic polynomial is again classified in quadratic term, linear term and constant term. So this is for your information. Let us go for the next part of it. We will going to find out sum. So sum is nothing but linear term. So according to the polynomial which we have here, what will be sum equals to 19x. The sign of sum is plus, so I have taken that also, plus 19x. This is first step. Whenever you want to factorize the polynomial, you must separate sum from the quadratic polynomial. Next one, we will going to find out product. What is product? Product is nothing but product equals to quadratic term into constant term. So as you know, you can see quadratic term is x square, constant term is plus 18. Therefore, you will get x square into plus 18. Hence, we will get product equals to plus 18x square. You will see that I am taking sign also of that term, so that it becomes easy for you to understand. Once we got the product, we have got plus 18x square. So we know the sign is plus and 18 is the factor, because x square means x and x will be written with the both the terms if I want to find out factor. So we will going to find the factor of plus 18x square, which will become, first one is 1x into 18x. 1 into 18 will become 1x into 18x. If you want, you will not write x along with 1 and 18, no problem, because it is understood with both the term you will have x. Second one, we have 2x and 9x. We'll find out all the possible factor. So 1 into 18, 2 into 9, then 3 into 6. You will find that no other factor we have. 1x into 18x, 2x into 9x and 3x into 6x. These three are the factors. Now you have here plus sign, so the product is plus. I will add both the factor of the product, that is 18x square is 1x and 18x na, so I will make it plus it, so I will get it plus 19x. Similarly, I will go for the second one. 2x plus 9x will become 11x. 3x plus 6x will become 9x. Why I added? Because the product is having plus sign. If the product is having negative sign, then I will subtract rather than adding. I will find the difference. Difference means what? Greater number minus smaller number. Clear? Now we will see this sum what we have plus 19x plus 11x plus 9x, which one is matching with sum? So you will find that plus 19x is matching with the sum. Now let us come for our factor part. So here we have x square plus 19x plus 18, which will be equals to, I will keep quadratic term as it is, constant term as it is, the plus sign which is given with the linear term will come as it is. If it is minus, then I'll keep it here minus. Now 19x I have to replace, and 19x will be replaced by the factor what we have got it here. So that is 1x plus and 18x. Mind it, first we are going to take bigger number out of the two selected factor. So 18x is first, so I will take that first. See here, first 18x, and the second will go for a smaller number, that is 1x. So 19x is replaced by 18x plus 1x. Please keep in mind the sign of the coefficient of linear term is plus, and that plus is outside the bracket. This sign 18x plus 1x has come from product. If the product sign is negative, then here it will come minus. I hope it is clear. The bigger number we have to take first and the smaller number we have to take after. Now let us learn to open the bracket. So we have opened it, x square plus 18x plus 1x plus 18. Plus sign is outside the bracket, so it won't change any sign. Now we will form a pair. 4 terms will convert it into 2 terms and 2 terms. I hope you might be remembering one famous song, 1 2 ka 4, 4 2 ka 1. My name is Lakhan. So based on that only you can remember it. That 4 term I am converting in a 2 group, and I will take common from each group. See what I get. X I will get, and from the first term x will remain, and from the second term will go 18. So the first group, if I remove x common, I get x plus 18. From the second group I have to take plus 1 common because nothing is common there. So what will remain? X plus 18. Now you know we have got 2 terms here, x plus 18 and x into x plus 18 plus 1 into x plus 18, which further, see here, from both term x plus 18 will be common, and from the first term x is common, and from the second term plus 1 is common. So our factor is nothing but x plus 18 into x plus 1. Therefore the factor become x plus 18 into x plus 1. I hope it is clear. You have understood. Watch this video many times. Understand the concept. It will become easy for you to do any sum. Thank you for watching the video. I hope you have understood the concept how to factorize quadratic polynomial. See you with the next video, and do not forget to share it with your friends and subscribe it. See you once again.